Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a grilled stuffed chicken breast recipe, and I'll be using my list of ingredients. Now here you see I have 3 chicken breasts, a cheese of my choice, you can use any cheese you wish, my garlic, minced garlic, my black pepper, and my all-purpose seasoning, my tomato, and guys, they usually use spinach, but this is callaloo or Jamaican spinach. So let's get this show started. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna slice open the chicken breast. Make sure your hand is washed. Now you don't want it any more than that, and you just continue to the next one. Knife is a bit sharp, so it went down fast in that one. Now guys, you can also, if you have a mallet, a cooking mallet, you can use it and beat the chicken breast thinner. But this is a different ingredient, different recipe, should say. Sorry about that. So guys, you just want to just a kind of butterfly. There you go. Now you just want to sprinkle your seasoning over it. So I'm giving you, after I do this guys, I'll be putting it down to marinate for a while, and then I'll get back to you guys. And while I'm doing this, the grill is being heated. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be starting the process. Alright guys, so I'm back. Now as I said before, you can use any ingredients you wish in this recipe. I forgot I had the garlic powder, so I changed it. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my ingredients inside, my herbs. I can use my hands guys, because you know I wash my hands. So you're just gonna put them in, although I should be using a spoon or something else. Alright, grab my cheese. As I said, I didn't have the mozzarella cheese, so I just use what I have for this recipe. And guys, I just hope you enjoy it. Now you want to cover it up and just put your skewers in, close it up, put your skewers in, close it up, and just repeat the process in no particular order. Guys, if you have like sun-dried tomatoes, you can use that as well. As I said, I just use whatever I have in the house. I know you guys haven't seen me in a video in a while. I do work, so sometimes it gets the best of me, and I'm sorry for that. But I'm back now with a video that I hope you guys enjoy. Just want to stuff it and just repeat the process with the skewers. Okay, that's 2 down, 1 more to go. Now guys, I didn't use any salt. Now if you see that, or you notice that I didn't add any salt, whenever I use certain seasoning that already has in the salt, I tend to not go with any salt, because that's too much. So that's why you didn't see any salt, because the all-purpose seasoning has a lot of salt in it already. Alright, so pardon the mess. So this is the last one. As I said, the grill is prepping. So I'm just gonna clean up now and you guys can join me at the grill. Alright guys, now my grill is ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the chicken. So guys, I already coated it with some olive oil, as you know it's gonna be thickened. So guys, there you go, right on the money. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be turning them. Okay guys, now I think it's time for turning. Got my spatula this time. And guys, I'll be coating this with my nice honey glaze sauce to top it off. Oh, the skewer is not holding much. I'll have to add some more to it. Guys, getting right there. Now guys, as I said before, I'll be coating it with my honey glaze sauce just for moisture and a little sweet taste. Ooh, I love this sauce, guys. It just smells so good and tastes as well. Of course, guys, you know that the cheese is melting, so when it's touching the grill, you hear that sizzling sound. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be flipping it over and add the sauce to the next side. Okay guys, back again. Now it's ready to turn. As I said, the cheese is melting, so that's why the sizzle. You hear that nice sizzle. And I'm gonna coat it this side as well. Ooh. Guys, please remember to watch my video, like, share, subscribe. Just some simple do-it-yourself recipes that sometimes persons think it's difficult to do, but it's just simple. I'm gonna have to get more sauce. Okay guys. So guys, now I'm gonna do the final look. So guys, you know my saying at this time, when next you see me, you want to join me at the table. Okay guys, here you go, my grilled stuffed chicken breast recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.